Hi, in this video I'd like to show you about our newest whiteboard. It's actually also we have, the size is actually 65-inch. It's actually a touch screen. So basically we also have the Android based and also we have a PC embedded. This is the back panel and this one is for the wireless presentation system. So later we can use this iPad to show you how to have this one, to share on this one. So right now we can check out the system and we have a setup here and we can have the home page and also can see all the functions, and this one is for the whiteboard, for the mark. So we can mark on this one. We also can use the, we can save the picture. So just confirm. This one about this function, and we can just quit this one. So we also have this one is actually for the input source, and we have the OSB or the TV or the VGA or the two HDMI inputs and 3BS, where we are all the pre-HDMI or pre-VGA. And also last one is actually for the setting of the all the functions, also the camera, all functions here. We also have like the whiteboard. Once we use the whiteboard, we can do the can just writing here. You can see the restaurant is very fast. So we can just delete this one. So now we're going to show you how to use the iPad to share on the big screen. So right now here we got an iPad. So once we have this one connected to Wi-Fi first. So we have the Wi-Fi. We use the same Wi-Fi here on this touch screen, and also we can do settings here. By the we have a setting here, so go to setting and we have the Wi-Fi here, so we can have the Wi-Fi which is connected, the same Wi-Fi network. Then we have this iPad here and we just use the AirPlay, we just swap up. And we can see here we got the screen mirroring. Then we found that one is called BHD. So we click to share. We can see it's already on the screen. So we use the camera here. Back to the home page. We also can use the photo on the iPad. Zoom it. This one is how to share the contents from the iPad. We also can choose from the iOS or the MacBook by the AirPlay. For the Windows, we will need to use a USB dongle, or we can use the the software. And also we have another one is the Theme Manager. So basically we can use a internal, and also we can use a USB driver. So we can install any like the applications. So here we got the more apps. And more apps, right now we can use the Google Chrome. And just type Euro here. We can connect to the Wi-Fi now, so it's going to be a browser here. And also we have the multi-screen. So for the multi-screen, it's basically to share the contents from the iPad or the iOS device with Windows PC, and we have the instructions here. So we have the more apps, and basically we have this one is actually the Zoom. We also can use the Zoom here, so we can join a meeting or we can sign up and to start a meeting. This one is a very basic introduction about this one, and also we can start the PC here. And we have a PC here. It just take a moment to start the PC. So it's actually a Windows 7. It's starting the Windows PC. So now it's already ready, and also we can have a video here. You can just play this video.
深圳毗邻港澳，一座充满朝气与活力的先锋城市。差异化是品牌的核心竞争力。2011年，农行深圳分行以绿色为突破口，率先在金融业创立 Go Green 绿色农行品牌，并取得国家。
So we can just so we just turn off the PC, and we can back to the home page. Okay, thank you so much. This is a very simple introduction about this whiteboard.